Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create the account in Pokemon Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically all you have to do to sign up for Pokemon Go is first download the application and you will see this screen right here. So all you have to do is press new player. So either you can continue with your Apple ID if you're using your iOS device, or create an account with your Facebook account and create with your Google account, or you can go option with your Pokemon Trainer Club. So all you have to do is sign in here if you have already not. So if you have not created one, all you have to do is press the link that goes. If you have created one, all you have to do is create one. So just enter your date of birth. Let's just say September 1999. And enter your country and region, and then next you'll have to put in your username. So it's gonna test username number 01. So check availability and you'll see if it's valid. So just go password 123, password 123, email address, email testing 123@gmail.com, and just copy the whole thing. So basically this is just how you create your Pokemon account, and all you have to do is accept the Pokemon terms of use. You have to read it if you want to know the contents of what they're gonna use their information for, and press I'm not a robot and do the captcha or the test they're gonna do with you. So traffic lights, and there you go. All you have to do is press continue, and then there you go. It's just gonna create you one. So this one I'm not really gonna continue it anymore since it's pretty risky with this information. So basically that's just how you sign up for Pokemon Go on your device. So if you like this video, thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time.